This is a secret welding trick my welder never teaches anyone. 1. How do you weld steel pipes with different diameters? First, measure the diameter difference with a ruler. Mark the measured distance on the larger pipe. Make several marks so the whole edge stays level. Connect the marks to draw a guideline. Draw several vertical guidelines with equal spacing. Use a cutter to cut along the marked lines. Use pliers to bend the metal tabs inward along the cuts. Tap lightly with a hammer to fine-tune the shape. Keep adjusting until the diameter matches the other pipe. Then you can weld it for a seamless joint. 2. How do you weld a steel plate with a flat cut edge? If you weld it directly, the strength will not be enough. Use an angle grinder to bevel the welding edge. Put 2 small tack welds on the horizontal joint. Knock off the slag and fit the plates together. Use the tack welds to hold the first connection, then weld the beveled edge with welding rod. 3. When you need to weld square steel with different widths vertically, weld the smaller end under the larger square steel first. Then use a ruler to mark the extra part. The side is the part you need to cut. Cut off the marked section. Hammer the remaining part. Bend it until it blends into the main piece. 4. If you weld 2 channel steels like that, they can shift or warp easily. On one side of the channel steel you already fixed in place, tack weld another channel as a guide reference. Press the real channel you need to weld tight against the guide channel. Do the welding. After that, the channel stays straight and does not twist. 5. Angle steel has a built-in 90-degree inside corner. If you weld it at a right angle directly, it can interfere, so you cannot get a true tight fit weld. Cut a notch at the end of one angle steel, so the other angle steel can slot into it. Now the 2 angles form a true tight right angle. Then you can weld the other angle steel along the vertical direction. 6. How do you weld angle steel with different widths? Use the smaller angle steel to mark the same width on the side of the larger angle steel, at the corner of the larger angle steel. From the mark point to the full width is 3 centimeters. Draw a diagonal mark line to form a triangular cut area. Use an angle grinder to cut along the diagonal line. Now you have a notch that can fold. Draw a horizontal mark line at the top of the notch. Use the angle grinder to make a light cut on that line. Use pliers to bend both sides inward along the cut lines. After bending, the larger angle steel matches the smaller angle steel width, so the fit becomes tight.